You will never guess what's behind this door. As soon as you walk in, everything's opened up around this beautiful central pool. This is really the heart of the house. Here are 4 bedrooms in total, 2 on each side of the pool. All 4 are identical, each with its own ensuite bathroom finished in Chukum, giving the villa that natural, earthy Tulum feel. You step out of your bedroom and you're immediately at the pool. That's also what makes this villa perfect for short-term rental. The pool naturally becomes the meeting point of the house. People wake up, step outside, swim, hang out, have a drink. It's designed for connection, good energy, and great moments together. And what's interesting is how the villa keeps opening up from here. Just behind the pool, you will find the open kitchen and living area. All the furniture comes directly from Morocco, as the owner is Moroccan, so the style is very authentic, warm, and full of character. Up on the rooftop, there is a jacuzzi with beautiful green stone along with an open barbecue area. This is the perfect spot for sunset drink, long evening, and relaxed dinner under the stars. And one important detail from an investment point of view. This villa was built to support an additional level, meaning you can add up to 3 more bedrooms, turning this into a 7-bedroom villa with huge rental potential.